And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp file format is not supported. So basically, the problem is caused when you're trying to upload a video or a photo on your WhatsApp, or trying to send a video or photo from your gallery to your friends on chat. Then this problem occurs saying like the file is not supported. So basically, it's caused by a bug. So the first thing is always restart your phone, because it might be caused by some small issue and restarting your phone might fix it. And the other thing is to delete and reinstall WhatsApp, because deleting and reinstalling WhatsApp might fix it. Because if the problem is caused by corrupted file on your WhatsApp, and deleting and installing WhatsApp again might fix it. And the other option is to change the name of the video. So for that, you need to go to the folder where the video is saved. So let's say I want to upload a status. I want to upload this photo in my status, and it says it is not supported. So now what I have to do is rename this photo over here. So what I can do is go to my file manager. Now you need to know where your file is stored. So I know where the photo is stored. I can go on my SD card, and on my SD card, on my DCMI, on my camera. And as you guys can see, the photo is over here. Now I can hold on it and click on rename file, and I'm gonna rename this. You just rename a small bit, like I can change the number to some weird text, and click on save. And after it is saved, I can go back to my WhatsApp and go on my status and upload the photo on my status. And yeah, now I can upload it on my status. So this should fix your problem if you're facing this problem.